Hey guys, what's up? So, this time I am playing Watch Dogs because some of you guys have been asking me to play some newer games. And, this is a couple weeks old, but it's pretty much, the most relevant thing out right now, so let's do it. But usually I don't get new games as soon as they release because, I don't want to spend $60 just because I'm going to be playing this on a new game. Yes, I'm gonna confirm this. One thing I don't. Okay. So I played it through the game once already, and I'll just quickly say what I think of it. Pretty much it's Grand Theft Hacker Creed because it's almost like Grand Theft Auto, except it's not as big and you can't do as much. Like, you can't drive and shoot, or as far as I know, you can't even, like, fly helicopters and stuff like that. Or, you know, GTA 5 was a lot more bombastic in its approach, whereas this one's a lot more like, well, this guy is in a military or cop, so he can't fly a helicopter. Which to me, just, you know, he's already got a hacking phone. He could just be like, I want a helicopter. Boom. Now, I could be wrong, but there was never a point in the game where, spoilers, there's never a point in the game where you're flying a helicopter. But I'm going to shut up now so you can watch this cutscene. By the way, I'm playing this on PS4.
Okay, I'm in the lobby of the Merlot.
All right, let's do it.
I'm hacking in.
Look at that. Secrets and lies floating in a cloud of data. I just reach out, pluck it from the sky, and it's mine.
It's ours. Stay focused. You got a nasty security system. How much we got?
100 grand in 30 seconds. God bless the rich and famous. We are the modern day magicians, siphoning bank accounts out of thin air. Do you hear yourself? What was that? Hello. I think someone else is hacking in. Let's take a peek. Let's not.
Stick to the plan, Damien.
Siphon the accounts and get out. Adventure, my boy. Have faith in your mentor. Something triggered that alarm. Let's find it. Shit. You're scanning the system. I'm almost there.
I'm shutting down now.
Don't you touch a thing. What the hell is that?
We need to abort.
We are not done. Help me.
Damien, it's over. I'm disconnecting.
Maurice,
Yeah?
you're on. One of our contractors ran a search for the hackers in the Merlot job. You're assigned Aiden Pierce. Take him out. Hit the family if you need to. This guy's hacking days are done.
Hit the family?
Got a problem?
Nope. I'll scare him good. You'll never hear from him again.
Mm-hmm. 11 months later. Module initialized. Watch Dogs. I feel like I need like a professional narrator. Just be like saying the lines for me. I'll move the mic a little bit closer. There we go.
You gotta believe me, man.
Who gave the order?
I told you. I don't know.
You don't know.
Hit the family? Not a problem. Nope. Husky, I'm good. You'll never hear from him again.
So what do you think, Maurice?
Did you scare me? It was a job, man. I didn't know.
Who was on the other end of the call? Give me a name.
They never gave me a name.
Yeah, I'll tell you her name.
Oh.
Lena. Lena Pierce.
I didn't know about any kids, all right? That wasn't supposed to happen.
I want you to think very carefully. Think.
Look, man. Even if I knew a name, you couldn't get me talking. These guys. I heard stories, man, that like nothing you ever seen before. You gotta walk away from this, man.
Some things you can't walk away
Please!
from.
Please!
Who gave the order?
I spoke to them on the phone. They told me where to find you. That's all I know, man. That's all I know.
Give me a name.
I don't know.
Give me the name now.
Hey, kill me, man. Just fucking kill me. Ah!
How's your memory now?
Ah!
Nope. Get down, bitch.
Maurice won't talk to me, but I bet he talked to you.
Give me that phone.
I can't keep running. I can't do it. That fucking Aiden Pierce. I killed his niece. He won't stop chasing me. Where's this guy?
Ooh, money.
What am I gonna do? He keeps coming.
I need to keep moving.
Black Viceroys. That's racist. Just chilling
Yo,
out.
Maurice! Yo, what's shaking, motherfucker?
Where the hell you been?
What?
He's talking to me. I leave.
Jordy's pretty
2
awesome.
minutes.
Give me my bullets.
I tossed him. What? You said you'd kill him otherwise.
I told you to hold on to them, Jordy. Where you been, anyway?
I had to make a call. And you get what you need from Maurice? Oh, you're kidding me.
Let's clean this mess up. Stop admiring your work.
Hey, that's cute and all, but I'm disappointed, Pierce. I mean, you failed to spot the nasty inter-gang drama I'm creating here.
I don't like loose ends. Let's get him out of here.
No, too late. Bottom of the 8th. Chicago's ahead. Game's almost over. We are out of time. Nice shot. Huh. Come on, you're not just a little interested in my phone call?
All right, fine. Tell me about your phone call.
Glad you asked. Okay, we got a bunch of dead bodies, right? We got 40,000 people above us. We need a distraction. I called the cops.
You did.
Oh, yeah, true story. So, cops arrive, and Maurice's little band of brothers arrive, and pow, 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 pow.
Jordy, tell me you're joking.
No, I called them too. Look, we get a messy altercation at the end of the game. You and I slip away undetected. You'll appreciate the plan tomorrow.
Great. Punctual cops. Now handle these guys. You grab Maurice, get him out of here.
Maurice, what do I look like, a chauffeur?
He's the shooter. I'm not through with him yet.
Dick.
Chicago police.
Aiden is kind of a dick.
Identify yourself.
Alright, so I'm gonna try my best to be as sneaky as I can be. And go.
Here's the weapon. Gunshot wounds.
Let's
I
see.
got another corpse. Another Viceroy. Victimless crime, man.
And do.
Squad, we've got 2 bodies in the basement of May Stadium. Gangbangers.
Rogers opposed now by Jorge Sinogo, who ended with an outstanding 15-second record last
And I guess I don't think you're gonna be able to hear me, so let's come up here and do some stuff.
Big base stealers on this
And
Looks like it unlocks from the other side.
was watching them like a hawk. That's a pitch and a hit, and it looks like yeah, that's a foul ball.
and camera.
Rogers not falling for that one.
And what you can do is you can kind of look around and stuff, see who else is in here. And there's a guy over there, but where's another camera?
That's a big hit.
See anything? Nope.
And then another guy.
We've got a known Viceroy in the VIP lounge. We're gonna check him out.
I'm guessing that opened that up.
Slow down there, Speedy. We need you down there. Make sure we don't get any surprises. All right.
And I believe that's everybody, and I'll see them through walls and stuff. Oh, it opened up the door for me.
He's not moving unless I give him a reason.
Guess I'll make a lure. Even though I honestly never actually use this. And attract.
Take the bait.
You're not gonna see me. Oh, he's gay. Whatever. He's got enough problems. Why can't I? Okay.
This is
you, come here.
bullshit, man. You ain't got no probable cause.
We're just talking.
Look, I got my tickets right here.
No, keep your hands where I can
Hey,
see
this
them.
is bullshit. Jay didn't do nothing wrong.
Get back now. You're Viceroys, aren't you?
I'll look around, see
Smart. How did you two
if there's
avoid
like
the
something I can get off these guys, like money.
You do.
Yeah? Hey, yo, Didi, calm down, all right? Don't give them nothing they can use.
Something tells me
$3
if we run
million.
these states through the system, we'll come up with plenty.
3 million.
I need to see ID. Both of you.
Well, I ain't showing shit.
Ah, whatever.
Hey, y'all filming this?
You are in for a hell of a ride, dude.
Bad boy. The police are about to lock this whole place down. I'm stuck unless we create a major distraction. I want to cut the power and slip past them.
To the whole stadium? I thought he wanted to keep the vigilante out of the news. Everything's connected to the ctOS with a serious firewall.
Right now, I need to get out of the stadium. Can you find me the nearest access point?
In the next room. Well, you'll need to find someone with security clearance.
Security guard should have access. All these cops, there's gotta be one around.
You Alan? Yeah, I am.
Just gotta look around for the guy.
Good, we need to get moving on it.
Get this camera.
40,000 people so we can play cowboys and Indians. But you got an isolated incident in the basement.
And get you.
I got no problem with that. This whole place is about to fill up with Chicago.
And hack. And go to blackout and boom. Good night, everybody. Let me in. Go. Come on, come on. Okay. And sneak past.
We've got people filing onto the field.
And go. No one saw nothing. No one knew nothing about me. So quiet, inconspicuous.
Where are you, Jordy?
What?
Open the door.
I'm
Okay.
allergic to cops. So's Maurice. But don't worry, I left you a present. Friend of a friend deals in pre-owned cars. Got a real beauty waiting for you in the garage across the street. Take it or leave it. I don't care. Gotta go.
Oh, someone's alcoholic in a bar. That's uncommon. Alright, so let's get out of here. No one... How do you even know that I'm involved? Nobody knows who I am. But we going here. Now, I don't really... I'm not going to really decide whether or not I'm a good guy or a bad guy. I'm just going to play like I kind of want to play it. I spent a couple hours playing this game, so I know how to drive. So first thing we gotta do is get rid of the cops. So we should probably get in a place where they won't be after us. Let's see. We should be good behind here, but let's see. I can go the opposite direction they're going. Oh wait, is there? Can I take a left here? They're kind of waiting for me down there, so I'm not gonna head that way. Instead, I'm gonna go this way. Which way is like out of the radius? I don't know. Oh, did I already lose the cops? Oh wait. Oh, I set a waypoint. My bad. I'm getting out of here. Oh, they're not gonna see me. They're not gonna see me over this. Alright, cool. I was kind of scared they would and be like, no! Dupe?
I needed this bad. Finally got the goddamn trigger, man.
I need to find a way back up.
It's hard. Torture's not gonna work on this guy, so I need to get inside his head.
Come on. The driving's a little finicky.
I'll give him a couple of days.
I'll get out of this and then go up. He suffers from diabetes. Pretty much that stuff is telling me what I already know. Oh, I forgot I don't have that power to just open cars whenever I want. Get out. Shut up. Shut your whore mouth. You better not say nothing. But it was funny, like how in the last, whenever I played through this, just to play through this, like I was playing it like, you know, like anytime there was cops, I would, you know, pull out my grenade launcher and stuff. And by the end of the game, I was a true menace. It was pretty great. Everybody hated me. They hated me so much.
These guys, I heard stories, man, that like nothing I've ever seen before. You gotta walk away from this, man.
Why are you sitting here? He's coming, right? Not like last time. Jackson, I did invite him. It's been so long. Are you sure you called the right number? Honey, your uncle's a different kind of person. It doesn't mean he doesn't love us.
Thanks for making me feel bad, man. I was never there for him. You shut up. Let's see. I think I'm gonna have to go to sleep.
Finding Maurice was correct. We've gained access to the ctOS backdoor while the police were being distracted by you. Since we both win in this, we'll share what we have. That backdoor allows you some access to the ctOS network. How's it working on something bigger? Give me time.
Yeah, skill points. I guess gates and garages. Alright, so probably this will be important, but yeah, well, it's 1 point, you know. And then let's see. This isn't really all that important for right now, at least. Let's see. That's not really important yet. This is helpful. And these are helpful. And I guess I get the L train too while I'm at it. But I will be doing the hacking and stuff first. Go to sleep. Yes, I understand. Even though I'm only going to go to sleep like one time. Probably in this entire walkthrough.
Drive where?
Anywhere.
I don't want to go anywhere. I want to go to Pawnee.
Okay, you're the boss. We'll go to Pawnee.
So that sucks.